The train's at Antrim station now. It's gonna leave, so it is. It's gonna leave shortly. It's quite late again today. For some reason. I don't know why. Thing is, it might take a while. What's wrong with this service today? I'm noticing lately that nearly all the services at Antrim are, there we go, late. I was gonna say they were at Springfarm level crossing coming down with Newton Abbey's 2-8. The time now is 13:52 on. I'm not going to go over that side. Tuesday, the 6th of July 2001, on the speed for your 1403 Northern Ireland Railway service from Great Victoria Street to Londonderry. (3021) 3023, sorry, I meant to Londonderry, and up they go. That alarm there, it's just skipped a little. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.